Hi, I'm Aaron Marcus, and I have an incredible workshop happening in Baltimore on October the 5th. This will be the last workshop I'll be doing in the area for 2019. And for everything I do, I always make sure that I give people the right information that will give them the best chance for success. And at the workshop, I'm also going to have three guest speakers who hire actors and models. I've got Mark Unger, who is a really talented guy, writer, director, producer. As a matter of fact, he writes and directs the show Thespian. It's shot in the Baltimore area. You can stream it on Amazon and Amazon Prime. I also have Mark Alf, who is the main person working under Dagmar at Central Casting in DC. They do a tremendous amount of casting. They also work as an agent as well. And this is a guy that you definitely need to make a personal connection with. And also the third guest speaker is Amy Jones. She's a really talented commercial photographer. She hired me for commercial modeling jobs, and she's also a headshot photographer, somebody else that you want to meet. I'll be speaking there as well. You can read on the landing page all the different topics that are going to be covered, but it's everything from putting together a great resume, even with little to no experience, auditioning techniques for film, television, commercials, commercial print work, how to get work on your own, how to find local agents and agents in distant markets. It's how to deal with nervousness, how to use your nervousness to your advantage. There's so many things we're going to be doing. Make sure when you do register, you bring your headshot, resume, any commercial shots, if you have them, to the workshop so that you can personally give them to me and the guest speakers. The other thing too is when you register, you will be able to receive an incredible handout where you will find over 70 industry contacts. These are people you need to know about in the area. And you get that free when you register. So all you need to do is go to howtoactamodel.com/Baltimore, lowercase letter, dash October 2019. And you can read all about it, register. I always have a limited amount of folks who can register. So make sure you sign up as soon as possible, and that way you'll be guaranteed a seat. I'm Aaron Marcus. If you have any questions at all, just email me at Aaron, AARON, at howtoactamodel.com. But really, if you're really thinking about trying to get more work in the industry, make more contacts, you've got to come to this workshop. It will be a great investment. See ya.